Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KBLB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices or not. So that just makes life a little easier, especially after days like this and as I stumble over my words, because this is a trickier chart to talk about now from a presentation standpoint, because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought up there and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks really bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. From the highs, there's been a pretty big pullback. But from the big picture, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to build an overall higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I am going to be talking about things from a big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type viewpoint going into all of this. And the level that I want to kind of focus on, and I am by no means saying the price is headed down here, but it'll kind of just really illustrate just how strong the overall trend is still technically, is right down here at 24 cents. Again, I'm not saying it's headed down there, but like I said, let's just humor me. So let's say that the price does indeed pull back to 24 cents. So this pullback here, which is already pretty deep, continues to get deeper and it goes all the way down to 24 cents. Then the price behaves like that and starts to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on the big picture. From the big picture point of view, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have lows right there. You'd have these lows down there before things kind of woke up. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, in the big picture point of view, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying progress as 24 cents. So yeah, I get it. If you're some sort of day trader or flipper and you bought up there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer a warning that I would be commenting from the big picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price very clearly still has an opportunity to build an overall higher low. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.